Sure, it's been a tough 5 years really, not just last year. I mean, consumer spending has been tightened and, people are struggling a bit, so it has been tough, there's no doubt about it.
The past year has been better than the previous year, right? But still, it hasn't been great. We're fighting recession all the time.
Obviously, we are in a business then that would be very luxury oriented, so obviously we are feeling it as well.
The unfortunate thing that's been happening in Cork over the last couple of years is places shutting down and just buildings being left empty. So there's streets around the city centre now that there's only 4 or 5 working units on them.
The government has got to keep money in people's pockets. You've got to look after the domestic economy. It's fine to say exports are going well and whatever, but there are an awful lot of jobs dependent on the local domestic economy.
Kind of month coming up to the budget affects us more. People start to worry about what's coming, but generally once it's hit, it kind of doesn't really affect us because you have to eat.
Obviously the big problem is that everyone's money is tied up in mortgages and everything as well, so what we need is just the government to issue just more confidence in the economy.
If I take on staff tomorrow, that doesn't come up as a big, Pat O'Connell is taking on 100 staff. But Pat O'Connell employs 9 staff. My neighbours employ 9 staff.
I'm confident that the whole thing will continue to get a little bit busier.